So this eBay jackshaft deal was too good to be true. I mean, they said you might have to grind some of the paint or sand some of the paint off to get the bearing to fit, but it was off almost like 3/4 of a millimeter when I measured it. But I just ground it down. And the other thing, look at this. So I'm gonna have to. This is gonna be on like this. Hold on. It's gonna be on like this, so I'm gonna have to get something to come down and then come back up to support it. Then I'll have to put a brace down to there. So anyway, kind of fucked, but I mean it's working, but not like it should be. I knew I should have bought all the parts fucking individually, but yeah, this part was super loose, went right on. This fucker was a bitch to get on, this 14-tooth sprocket. And the bearings, like I said, they're fucked. But hopefully it works.